Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine Nernali. So for today's vlog, manonood ulit tayo ng performance during the press presentation ng candidates ng Miss World Philippines. This time is from Bicol region, that's Jean Belasano. Kasi parang gusto ko rin ito siya nung nakita ko sa Barbie, ganda-gandara, ganyan. So without any further ado, let's watch this.
Ganda.
Good afternoon. I am Jean Isabel Belasano, the sole candidate from the land of the Oragons, Bicol region.
Ang ganda niya.
Ang ganda-ganda yung parang pinaghalong Ivana Alawi tsaka si Isabel something yung nasa GM.
Granada?
Hindi. Baka gustong paputokan kitang Granada dyan. Halaga.
Bicol region, we have
Ba't ginabago yung ilaw?
Isabel Belasano.
Yung ano ng ilaw sa kanya.
Para siyang ang dating niya parang Tara Valencia ng MUPH 2024. Like, young, fresh.
Yung smile yung ganda ng smile.
Hindi lang yung smile na sinasabi ko, Besh,
What
yung
made you change your mind and what was this shift? Because confidence-wise, this was different from when I spoke to you some months back.
Good afternoon, everybody. So, my name is Isabel. I'm representing Bicol region. And that's true, a few months back, I had a conversation with Tita about how uncertain I was with how I want my career to go in terms of pageantry. But after a few weeks of thinking, contemplation, I realized that there's no better time than now. And there's no better time to prepare than now. And I realized that I am prepared in terms of training, in terms of motivation, and in terms of resources. I'm very privileged to have a good team with me. And I think preparation comes with commitment, and I like to believe I'm a very committed person. And when I set my eyes on something, I'm really, really dedicated to earn whatever I have to earn to be that person. And I am here now because I believe there's no better time than sharing my belief and making the world believe. Thank you.
Wow. A powerful statement at the end.
ang cute niya, yung kanyang speaking voice, it reminds me of our friends from Bicol, like si Label, tsaka si ate niya, yung pag nag-i-English, yung parang sweetness pa, yung ganon, yung speaking voice and how they articulate English words. Like, ang cute niya, sobrang promising bata, tanda na talaga. Like, sobrang napaka-promising niya, and then yung aura niya, parang ang bait-bait niya, parang delisay, parang ako, ganyan. So, ikaw, Besh.
Yun din yung mga na-observe. Parang Barbie din siya. Hindi lang talaga dun sa aura, kundi yung kumbaga the way she talks, kung paano niya, kapag iniisip niya yung sasabihin niya sa
I mean, kung paano siya mag-project. Tsaka yung kalma lang talaga siya. Hindi siya mukhang pressured. Tignan talaga. Like, she came prepared din. Hindi siya kabado, ganyan. So, kalma lang talaga.
ang ganda din ng skin niya.
She has that luminous, glowing, kind of skin, which we don't have. Karon. So yun guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa ang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!